Welcome, Mac families. I'm sorry I couldn't be there with you tonight in person. I hope you find this video informative and helpful when it comes for you to make your choices as especially as a sophomore, but mainly as a junior and senior. Do you want to take APES, Advanced Placement Environmental Science? It's an official College Board level class. It's an upper level class. It's difficult, but it'll get you some wins under your belt, especially as you're thinking into what you're going to do after high school. So you can get college credit if you pass that AP test in May. The date changes every year, but we've been pretty successful at Mac. Knock on wood, we'll keep that going too. Even if you don't take the AP class, the AP test, the AP class will get you that college experience and get you prepared for college level science. So, what do we do specifically in my class? Thing one that I'm proudest of is the cool labs. So here you can see this girl her group wanted to see does the water flow faster through the soil in her front yard or through the soil in her backyard. They designed an experiment and graphed those results, and we can see that actually, according to her data, the front yard has faster permeability, we'll call it. Another cool lab that I like doing, and these are just the stuff that I grabbed off my picture roll, the albatross bolus dissection lab. What is that? Albatross birds, when they come, they feed their little chicks. The mommy regurgitates into the bird's mouth. Sometimes what comes up are hard parts. It could be squid shells, squid beaks. It could be bones from a fish, but increasingly more and more, it is actually plastic. So I'm part of this program that I was actually able to get that vomit from Midway Island all the way in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, and we're able to dissect it. And as you can see there, there's a lot of plastic in what these mommy birds are throwing up into the baby bird's mouth. Pretty sad, pretty important stuff. That's a really cool lab we do. Another lab we do the tree hug lab. We if you figure out the circumference of a tree and you know the species, you can do some calculations and you can figure out how much carbon dioxide is sucked out of the air. We do cool labs all the time throughout the year. That's kind of what I'm proudest of in this class. We also have fun experiences too. So you can see we'll calculate our own carbon footprints and our ecological footprint, and we can maybe that'll make us help us make choices. Uh, this is a picture from years past when we took field trips before COVID. Hopefully, we'll take some more again. A cool trip we took to Confluence. You can see these are four Mac students on a game show. It looks like Haley has 10 points and Delaney has 5 points, but that was a cool experience, and hopefully we'll be able to go to that field trip, that confluence when it happens again in the future. Finally, one of the main things I really like in this class, I like to do the 4 C's: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity. Let's get together, let's brainstorm, let's help each other out. Let's investigate. When Pablo Escobar was killed, his pet hippos escaped into the wild. Are those pet hippos beneficial or harmful to the Amazon ecosystem? When we investigate sprawl and urbanization, highways are great, except for it seems like they disproportionately affect communities of color, black and brown neighborhoods on purpose. Is it possible that highways are racist? Let's have a conversation about that. A couple weeks ago, we had a Socratic seminar discussing: would you rather have a coal-fired power plant in your neighborhood or a nuclear power plant in your neighborhood? Let's have a discussion. Let's have a Socratic seminar. And so those are the things we do in my class. Last thing I want to tell you is that I grade for growth mindset. So I like to treat a lot of the daily work as check-ins for understanding, not permanent. So if I bomb these 2 daily work check-ins, if I get 50s on them, but then I get an 88 on the quiz, I'll let that 88 stand in for those 50s. That's my grading scheme. And then again, for the tests can also replace that. And then what if I bomb the test? Well, we do redos on those as well. You can get to 70, maybe to 75 on those quizzes and tests. So I like to grade with growth mindset in mind. That was a lot. I hope this was helpful. I hope you sign up for APES. It's a great class. It's not a class you take, it's a class you use. So I can see that my time is running out. Shoot me an email and sign up for APES. I think you will really enjoy it. That's it for me. Bye.